Today, we're diving into how you can turn Alibaba.com into your ultimate money-making tool in 2025. Whether you're completely new to e-commerce or already have some experience, this guide is packed with actionable steps to help you build a successful online business. If you've been scrolling aimlessly through products or wondering how to make real money from these platforms, this is for you. Let's get started. 1. Choosing what to sell. The first challenge most beginners face is figuring out what products to sell. But don't worry, there are tools and strategies to help. One of the best tools for product research is Helium 10, especially if you're targeting Amazon. This tool lets you analyze products already performing well on the platform. You can see how much revenue they're generating, how many reviews they have, and what their competition looks like. This insight is golden because it gives you a clear picture of which products are in demand. If you're not focusing on Amazon, Alibaba's sister site AliExpress is another excellent resource for finding trending products. Simply search for broad categories like kitchen gadgets, fitness gear, or tech accessories and sort by the number of orders. The items at the top of the list are often hot sellers. When choosing a product, think beyond just trends. Trends can be great for a quick profit, but for a sustainable business, focus on products that solve real problems or offer consistent value. Ask yourself, does this product make life easier or better in some way? For example, items like home organization tools, reusable kitchen items, or pet supplies often have long-term appeal because they fulfill everyday needs. Another pro tip: don't just look at sales numbers, dive into customer reviews. Read what buyers are saying. Are they happy with the product? If not, why? Understanding these insights can help you identify opportunities to improve or position your product better. Also, think about seasonality. A product that sells like crazy in the summer might struggle in the winter. If you want steady income, go for evergreen products, items that are useful all year round. These could be things like storage solutions, self-care products, or even basic tech gadgets. 2. Diving into Alibaba. Now that you have a product idea, it's time to explore Alibaba. This is where things get exciting. Alibaba is like a treasure chest filled with endless product possibilities, but navigating it wisely is key. When you search for a product, you'll notice many suppliers offering it. Choosing the right supplier is crucial for your business. Here's how to make smart decisions. Look for verified suppliers. Verified suppliers have been checked by Alibaba, meaning they're legitimate and trustworthy. You'll see a badge on their profile indicating this. Check how long they've been in business. Experience matters. Suppliers with at least 5 years of operation tend to be more reliable and professional. They've likely dealt with a variety of clients and know how to handle orders efficiently. Review their minimum order quantity (MOQ). Some suppliers require you to buy 500 or more units upfront, which might be too much if you're just starting. However, plenty of suppliers offer lower MOQs, sometimes as low as 10 or 20 units. This is perfect for testing the waters without a huge financial commitment. 3. Communicating with suppliers. Clear communication with suppliers is essential. Start by asking these key questions. What are their lead times for production and shipping? Do they offer warranties or guarantees on their products? What payment methods do they accept? Pro tip: whenever possible, use a secure payment method like PayPal for your initial transactions. PayPal offers buyer protection, which can be a lifesaver if something goes wrong, like a shipment delay or a product defect. Building a relationship with your supplier is also important. Treat them as a partner in your business, not just a vendor. A good supplier can provide valuable insights, suggest better products, or even offer discounts for larger orders down the line. 4. Building a winning product line. Once you've selected your supplier and product, think about creating a product line. For example, if you're selling fitness gear, consider adding complementary items like resistance bands, water bottles, or workout mats. Bundling related products can increase your average order value and make your store more appealing. 5. Getting ready to sell. Now that your products are ready, it's time to sell. Whether you're using Amazon, Shopify, etc., or even social media platforms, focus on creating compelling product listings. Use high-quality images, write clear and persuasive descriptions, and highlight what makes your product unique. If you're running ads, target your audience carefully. Platforms like Facebook and TikTok ads let you reach people based on their interests and behavior. Use this to your advantage to connect with potential buyers. So finally, the possibilities with Alibaba are endless if you approach it with a clear plan. From choosing the right products to finding reliable suppliers and creating a strong sales strategy, you can build a thriving e-commerce business. Remember, success in e-commerce doesn't happen overnight, but with persistence, research, and the right tools, you can achieve amazing results. Be sure to check out our other videos for more tips on building your business and achieving financial freedom. Hit that subscribe button and give this video a like if you found it helpful. Together, we're going to make 2025 your breakthrough year.